This is an unboxing video for ZMR835. So I bought it some time ago for about like 40 50 US dollar. It's actually very cheap. I mean, on the list, it actually come with the flight controller, but then it didn't. All right. The wingspan is about 835. Fuselage is 685 millimeters. The overlay with the electronics, the electronics that I put on is about 510. Okay, so you see on the right hand side is the list of the electronics that I use. I will have another build video which will tell you later. All right, so this is the box that come with it. It actually is a box inside the box, so everything's well protected. So what you see inside the box is all the components. They are well packed, so nothing was damaged when they arrived. That is the wing with the skins on it already, and it's quite well built. So I really like the quality for the price that you pay for it. So check it. I mean, the surface is actually extremely smooth. Yes. So that is the vertical and horizontal stabilizer. It looks very good as well. So those are the, I mean, electronic component. I mean, not electronic, but the components. I don't have problem with most of them except those control rod, which is come extremely dirty. I don't know what happened to it. So I actually use the WD-40 to clean them all up. So you can clean them very well. There are problems when in the factory when they put on all the control surface. So they only move on one directions. Okay, so that happened to the aileron. All right, for both sides. It also happened. The same problem happened to the elevators. There isn't much problem on the rudder surface. But in any case, actually, I removed all the tapes. Okay, that put the surface onto it. So I actually retape all of them. So after I retape all of them, now the control surface can move freely on both directions. So you can see that now as shown on the screen. All right, so now you can move up and down, left and right. So that's something that you will actually have to do. I guess means it's the problem that the quality control when they actually did that in the factory. All right. So overall, I think the quality of the planes is pretty good. All right. So that is, I mean, the look of it after I finish building it. So I will actually have another separate build video on my experience of how to put everything together on this plane.